Welcome. Are you looking to share what you're playing on Roblox with your friends and followers? Whether you want to show off your latest adventure or just let everyone know where to find you, it's easy to update your privacy settings so your current experience is visible. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your current Roblox experience visible to your friends, followers, and the people you follow. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those dots. Next, you'll see a menu with several options. Tap on Settings to open up your account settings. This is where you can control who sees your activity and other privacy preferences. Now, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is all about controlling who can see your information and what you share with others. Once you're in the Privacy section, look for the option that says Visibility and Private Servers. Tap on that to continue. Inside the Visibility settings, you'll see an option simply called Visibility. Tap on this to open up even more sharing options. Here's where the magic happens. Under the section labeled Show Current Experience, you'll see a few choices. To let your friends, followers, and the people you follow see what you're playing, select the option that says Friends, Followers, and People I Follow. That's it. You've just updated your settings so your current Roblox experience will be visible to the people you want. Now, whenever you're exploring a new game or hanging out in your favorite experience, your friends and followers can see exactly where you are and join in on the fun. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your Roblox crew. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.